this community is not just like focusing on the recipes. I tell everyone that my mentor, my ma'am, is like not only teaching just the recipes, it's motivating, it's giving the lifelong experience that how to live life with all these things. So it's just not one thing. Baking classes, I think there are many. They just give here also, there are many. They are just teaching you the recipes, but they don't teach you how to do a business. The whole community which are all helping each other, that is also like magic. It's like not it's not working with one people, it's more people and more energy you are getting from the community. So I highly recommend this course, and Diamond and Super Baker, both they are both amazing.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are doing yet another Hall of Fame interview with my awesome student Krupali. Why we are doing this interview? Let's hear it from her. So, hi Krupali, can you quickly
Hi.
yourself, like where are you from and what you used to do before you got into this baking journey of yours professionally?
Hi, first of all, thank you, ma'am, for adding me in the selecting me for the Hall of Fame interview. I'm very, very happy for that, and meeting you and talking to you first thing. So, my name is Krupali. I'm from Sharjah, UAE. I have four members. We have four members in family. My daughter, my husband, and my father-in-law. So my father-in-law is based here in UAE only, and I got married here, and I worked for a few years, like quite 3 4 years, in a research company. I've done like MBA,
Oh,
so
wow.
in specialized in marketing. So I was working after my mother-in-law passed away and few issues. I couldn't join back to my work, and also I had daughter to take care. So like that I was doing something from home, like I was artist also. I used to paint and sell the paintings and all that. Then I thought like I want to do something big, I want to earn also, so that I can get the respect back, the one which I lost after stop working. So I used to search which business I can go. So that time I got some 10 points. In that there was this baking, that it's booming. So anyway, I was good in cooking. I used to love cooking, was good. I was passionate. So I thought I'll try with this. I've done everything, every kind of research I've done. But then I end up like the course. I was just going through the someone's page. From there, I found your page on the Instagram. So I was just going through, and I got a link that you can attend the webinar. And so I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. I don't know whether it will work or no. I'll just give because it's free. So we said just I'll try. So then the boot camp, and then the stories and how you just explain everything. It was like, oh, this is just me. I can. I felt very emotional that, oh, this is what I'm going through. Maybe there are so many other people who are also going like same thing, that they just going in the home and they want to do something, but they can't do it. They have many restrictions that you cannot go out. They have to take the responsibility of home also. So like that way I started boot camp, and then I didn't ask my husband that I want to pay, because many courses I have done, which like even the marketing course, or any other courses I have been going through last month, last year also. So I felt like I don't want to tell him now that again I'm going into some course. So I just paid from my account only. I had some money from my last job, so I paid, and then I told that I'm going to pay like this for this thing. So he was like, okay, if it's up to you, you are doing all the courses by yourself. You take your decision now. I don't have any problem, but you just check. So I just paid for Super Baker. Then that moment only I felt like, no, no, I can do. At least I should try it. I was like, I don't know how it's working online, because it's baking. So I was not having that confidence that I can learn from the baking, but at least I want that thing that at least you will guide me for any something. I'm
Correct.
totally blank, so I had that confidence that at least from your video, I thought like you will guide me in the how to do business or how to be confident. So
Mm.
all those things was just not the baking. I used to bake little, I know, but then there are many things in the cake and all. They are vast, so it was not from the videos. You cannot keep on doing, and I was wasting time, as you told that you will waste your time in the finding the recipes. So I just followed you. You told me that just follow, your mentor told you that just follow one. So I just said to myself that, yeah, she said she followed someone. That means I need to follow you. So that way I started. I just followed, then I stopped watching the videos, everything, and just your videos. We used to wait for Friday. That Super Baker is in Friday, right?
Yes.
So I used to wait for the Friday sessions, and I tell my family members that I'm going for a class. Don't disturb me. I will focus properly. Otherwise, I cannot bake. So initially, everyone was like, "Okay, something again. You got something new." We know they don't know that whether you will succeed or no. It was like that initially, but then as and when I started making the cakes, and initially in the first only month I started selling also.
Wow,
So
love.
yeah, so I used to give it to my neighbors, and they liked it, my neighbors. And then she said, "Can you please make one cake for my husband's birthday?" So that time I just finished the Super Baker challenge. The 130 days, I just finished that one,
Oh,
and that was the last thing, right? To have a first order. Yeah. So luckily I got that, because I was thinking like how I will get the order. I cannot finish this challenge because I haven't got any order in this 30 days. So before 30 days only, she like 30, I think 40 days. Yeah, she gave me first order. So I thought like, okay, my challenge is now completed. But the challenge just started actually.
yeah, yeah.
But then I started promoting also, because the logo and all I made already from the Super Baker challenge. So then I started posting in the groups, and I was going in the gym, so I was sharing everyone that I started this business, and it's from home, you can try. So like that way I kept very less price, because it was just I was also learning. So it
Yeah.
was like minimum, but I was very particular that they are paying money, even if it's 35 dirham or 40 dirham. They should not feel that, my birthday is getting spoiled because of my cake. So I was, from the beginning, my decoration was like neat and I was clean. So here is like people are like very particular about cleanliness, like how clean you are, how you present, and everything. So that's why they started ordering. So everyone just thought like, okay, everyone is ordering, so let we also try. So like that way I got new people. some
Oh,
some people whom I know, they never order, but new people, they don't know me, they started ordering like that way. So it started with that only.
what was your husband's reaction at that particular point of time? Like you did pay
Yeah,
for some
he
from your pocket. So we would like to
yeah.
know.
Yeah, he was surprised actually. And then the next moment he was happy, that I'm very happy that at least finally you are ending up something where you are happy also, and you are, people are appreciating you also. So
Very
he got happy, very happy he was. And
good.
he started supporting also. After
Great.
I having started, the business, he started supporting. He used to get all the materials, and
Wow.
yeah, so he is my biggest support after joining this.
So, what is next? And you said you have a daughter. So how old is she?
She's 5.5 now.
5.5. And are you able to manage your baking orders with her schedule?
Because she's going in the school, right? So I started September last year. My,
Hmm.
I started promoting the business September. When she
Hmm.
started her school, the same day I started.
Oh,
I
wow.
was just waiting for her to go school so that I can focus more on my work. So it's like I just tell my family that this is not like a part time thing. This is my full time, and I need you all to support me in my this schedule. So please, I requested and they cooperated. Okay, no problem. You continue. So morning, I used to do just marketing and all
Hmm.
because I need peace for that time. So when she comes, I give her time.
Wow.
Afternoon, I tell her that, see, initially it was difficult, definitely,
Hmm.
because she was small, 4 years and 4.5, so it was difficult. But then I tell her that, see, I'm getting money from this, so if you let me make, then you will get the toys. Like that, I told her. Then she was okay. Okay, I will not disturb you. She started playing with friends. I keep her busy with friends she
Hmm.
have here. So like that way, she was good. And
But she
now
must be
she,
happy as well, right? Like my mama is a baker
yes,
now and she makes amazing cakes.
yes, she's very happy, and always she have demands that I want the ragi cookies. She
Oh,
likes all the
love
stuff I make,
healthy.
everything.
Awesome. Awesome.
And she asked me also, is this healthy? Because I tell her that, okay, ragi is healthy. Ragi, that muffin I make, the
Mm.
cake, and
Yeah.
I make in the muffin form only. That's working with me. So she's always asking, this is healthy one, mama? I said, yeah, this is very healthy. Eat this one. This is good.
So
So
happy.
I joined the diamond for learning the this healthy bakes.
Mm.
That was
Mm.
my main purpose of to learn the healthy thing, and also to, so for 1 month if I felt it's very good, then definitely this whole course will definitely going to help me, and also I can get more guidance and more information throughout the course. So that was again next step which I took.
Super, super. So, what about the recipes that you got in Diamond or the techniques? Did they help you increase your orders or did they help you in this revenue that you have generated?
Yes, definitely. Because first Super Baker was just on the cakes,
Hmm.
and this is like more deeper
Hmm.
cakes. Also, there are many things. So people used to ask me, "Do you make fondant cakes? Do you make this cake, this cake?" So I say no. I will make after 2 3 months when I
Hmm.
am ready. Right now I'm not ready. So then, like, this started helping me. So I got first fondant cake also. So I go through the videos that, okay, because I don't know, I was not confident that I
Yeah.
can make or no. But then I just watched the basic things of how to make the fondant cakes, and
Hmm.
then I started making the things. So it was, they were very happy, and at home also they were all surprised with that makeup
Yeah.
cake. So
Yeah.
it helped a lot. All the recipes are like up to the mark. If you make it properly, it will come out good. That's very simple, and also I wanted very simple ingredient.
Hmm.
The one first cake which I made was very much tricky and
Hmm.
also expensive. So
Hmm.
I thought I cannot
Which
sell these
one? The
cakes
one you made uh
before, yeah, before
social.
the course.
Hmm.
So that was coming out expensive, plus too much of methods. So
Hmm.
I thought, like, this is from this course. I felt each and every recipes are very simple and very minimum. Timings also. There is no much hassle. It's all
Hmm.
hassle-free recipes which you have shared. So it's very
Hmm.
much good. All the recipes.
Okay. What would you like to share with those women who wants to start their bakery business from home? but they are hesitating. Like there are so many excuses, like husband is not supporting, father is not supporting, I don't have money. So what would you like to share with them?
Yeah, for me also, I felt like that, that no one will support me. But then from your videos only, I learned that you only say, don't think that they are bad. Only see what good in them. So
Mhm.
it's like if you keep on doing something, they will also not stop supporting you. So it's all you only said, and I followed the things you said, that you have to see good in them, not the bad. So they
Yeah.
will start supporting you. My father-in-law is also supporting me now, that oh, she's making cakes, and she tells everyone, new people, that my daughter-in-law is making cakes. So
Good.
it's like, yeah, you have to prove them that you are good. If you don't prove, then they will not support. Because from the last business I was just going through, they said, I don't think you are confident enough for this. So we
Mhm.
need to prove that, okay, this thing I need to prove them first, then to the other people outside there. So it's the wall starts from your own place, then
Yeah.
it's the outside. So once it's done, no, I think it's very easy. For
Love.
money also, I think if you are dedicated to anything, it will come to you from anywhere. It's
Amazing.
so
Lovely.
it should, like, you have to keep going and prove everyone, and then they will follow.
Absolutely. Amazing. Super awesome. So in just like you said, in last September, you started this baking journey where you used to do little bit, but then the proper in proper way
Yes.
you started. So it is not even 1 year. And in that itself, you have already crossed like 1.5 lakh revenue, right? To be precise.
Yes.
So
1.7, I think.
1.7 lakh, that is awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Really proud of you. So, Krupari, what is next for you? Like maybe 3 years down the line, if I have to ask, where do you see your business going? What do you feel?
So before also, like 3 4 months before also, we thought like we can go for a bakery or something, but then here it's like a bit tricky to get into the business. So let's see. I will again see. You told me that time that first you need to finish your assignment and all, then you figure it out. So it was like you are right that I need to first 1 year. I keep on tracking the things, that which month is good, which month is not good. So for 12 months, 12 months are not going to be a good business. So I
Absolutely.
think I need 1 more year to figure out that, okay, this is this good month, this is bad month, and I work 1 month in advance, that okay, this next month is going to be good. So I need to
Mhm.
work for that month first. So I think down the line, 3 years, I think I need some setup there. People are working under me, even if it's from home. I need some bigger, like the corporate orders. I will more. I need to focus, and I will hire someone who can help me with this. Also,
Yeah.
here there are trade license we can take.
Mhm.
So, like 1 year down the line, I can say that, okay, this is all we can do. So that's the thing we have, even if it's from home, but I can expand from home also if I have people with me.
I just love how clear you are about everything, right from the beginning when we started this interview up until now. It is like everything is so clear in front of you. So I'm very, very
Yes.
happy that you are part of this community because we need such inspiring people who are so clear about their baking, their business, and in general in their life as well. So, just last one question. Do you think people should join the Diamond Certification Program, Super Baker, or in general this community?
Yes, yes, definitely. Highly recommend. From all my talks, you can come to know that this is what I have from where to where I am now. So definitely, this community is not just like focusing on the recipes. I tell everyone, my brother, my they are in Bangalore, so I tell them that my mentor, my ma'am, is like not only teaching just the recipes, it's just motivating, it's giving the lifelong experience that how to live life with all these things. So it's just not one thing. Baking classes, I think there are many. They just give here also, there are many. They are just teaching you the recipes, but they don't teach you how to do a business. So recipes from the apps you can come to know, okay, but then the classes which you give and we attend, that all classes are like, you learn everything from there. So it's all the experience you share, that this is all, and it's the whole community which are all helping each other. That is also like magic. It's like not it's not working with one people, it's more people and more energy you are getting from the community. So I highly recommend this course, and Diamond and Super Baker, both, they are both amazing.
Super. Thank you so much, Krupali, and wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And I'm so happy and proud of you that you selected DVA for your dream business. So thank you so much for that, and God bless.
Thank you so much, thank you.